You're being released. After 72 years, you're free to go.
What day is it? I forgot to show it.
How to be brave? How can I
Trey.
love when I
Your grandson died in a car crash last week. He was wearing the bracelet you made him in 1992.
watching
All of
you
you!
stand?
He kept my bracelet! I taught him to tie the knot! I held his hand!
Suddenly goes away.
You're free to leave. Your sentence is over.
Am I good now? Can I go see the sky?
Your daughter passed last month. In her will, she left you her house. She wrote, "Mama's home is waiting."
She called me Mama after all these years. I thought she hated me. I thought I lost her. Tell her I never stopped loving her. Tell her.